Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Crystal. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And of course, I have my little assistant, Jacob. Hi. There you are, my love. So as you can see from the title of this video, this is going to be a organize my medicine cabinet video. So my medicine cabinet is right here and it's a mess. Let me open it up and show you. So right here is what we are working with. Now we are not going to be handling this bottom shelf. I'm going to leave that as is, but I am thinking about using some of these extra Tupperware containers to help organize this monstrosity. Now I did try and organize it last year when I very first moved in, but as you can see, it's just kind of a mess. So I'm gonna go through, organize this, and hopefully this will give you guys some good motivation to organize your cabinets as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off the top two shelves. I'm gonna go through and check for expiration dates, empty containers, and things that I no longer use anymore, and those things are going to be thrown away, of course. So I attempted to organize a while back, like I said, and I used these 3 baskets. This one has all my medication, this one has all first aid, and then this one has pain relievers and extra what's it called, supplements. And this tray right here holds all of my husband's medications. Had to make sure I turned the labels around so y'all don't see our address, but yes, this is all my husband's stuff. He does not like using baskets, so that's why his stuff is on a Lazy Susan. I also have a ton of dog stuff. I have dog medications back here. What was that, little buttercup? Are you trying to get the dog's attention? Oh my gosh, that was loud. So for the dog's things, I'm thinking about separating those out and putting them into one of these 3 drawers. I think the biggest one is the one on the bottom, so I'm going to try and put it in there. So right now, like I said earlier, I'm just going to go through, check for all the expiration dates, things that I am no longer using, and things that are empty. And all those bottles that are empty, I'm going to go ahead and put to the side to throw away. And then I'm also taking some stuff off of the counter and putting them into baskets that they belong to. I also decided to grab some Ziploc bags so that I can take the Band-Aids out of their boxes and put them into the Ziploc bag so that they would better fit into my first aid basket. So now, once again, this one is all supplements with one random NyQuil just because it doesn't fit anywhere else. All of our pain relief, first aid, allergy stuff right here. I took all the band-aids out and I put them into a plastic bag so that it won't take up as much space. And again, this is all my medication, and I love using this hair, skin, and nails from Nature's Bounty. I use this every day. Well, I don't use it, I take it every day. And I have seen an improvement definitely in my hair. So that's done. And of course, I'm not going to mess with my husband's stuff. I'm going to leave it just as it is because, like I said, he does not like baskets. I'm just taking off a couple of little things that I found still sitting on the shelf, and I'm going to go ahead and put back in the blue bins. And in a few minutes, I'm going to show you what I placed into the red Tupperware that was on the top shelf. How are you, my papa? You trying to get that? Yes, that's a big rattle for you. Oh my goodness. I don't want to get stuff on my hands. You want that piece? Do you need your other hand? There you go. You go, my little love. Yes. So like I said, I am going to be showing you what I put into the red Tupperware. As you can see, some of the things I just could not fit into the shelves, and I didn't want to have them laying down and rolling around. So I'll show you what I put into those containers in a second. So in the first container, I put in all of Oreo's medication. The other two dogs, me and Ash, don't have any medication needed, so this is all Oreo's stuff. In the second basket, I put random tall items that I could not fit on the shelf, and like I said, I didn't want them rolling around. And the final basket contains heating pads, my knee brace that I haven't used in several years and I hope not to use again, and an eye mask that can be heated or cooled. I'm just showing you guys a couple of random things that I'm putting next to the Lazy Susan. We have a pill cutter, some alcohol prep pads, and now I am just going back in and placing the final items back onto the shelf. All these extra doggy canisters are going to go on the top as usual, along with my dog's food. I have a set of, I'm guessing they're like little nut trays or beer nut trays. Those are my husband's. I'm going to go ahead and take those out so I can fit in the final red Tupperware container that has the knee brace and the other large items, and that will be it. Then I'll be all finished. Now this is kind of random, but do any of you guys have these breathing aspirators? I think that's what it's called. I have 2 of them. So as you can see, this one is going in the trash, but I had pneumonia twice in the last 10 years, and you get those to help keep your lungs clear. But yeah, that's just a random thing that I am throwing away because we don't need that. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys made it to the end and got some good organizational motivation out of this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and come back again next week for some more videos. Bye!